What's this one? To become queen, these ants fight and then shrink their brains. Female
Nice.
Indian jumping ants that lose their bids for the crown can regrow their brains. A feat that has never been seen before in insects.
That's nuts.
First of all, ants.
Jumping ants, no less.
First of all, ants. Incredible.
Fight to the top. Yeah.
Just
Crazy.
Just the coordination and
Colony.
organization.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the movie Ants.
It's still a pretty good movie. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I saw Willie dude's getting worried. He's fixing himself in a chair. Don't you dare get out of here. Oh, actually.
Can we go through this article
hold on.
first?
No, I'm interested in what's happening right
now. Actually.
What is happening? He's singing.
Willie dude.
He's singing, yeah.
Oh, yes.
He's
Doing it
about to
again.
take over the show today.
Yes, I know what's happening.
Most anticipated moment, unbox therapy history.
I was hyped all morning for this.
Willie Doo, has solved the biggest problems in the world.
Mm-hmm.
In general,
think
that's
I did it.
normally what he does. He solves problems. But today, he took it to another level because we've all been talking about this Apple car and how tough it's been for Apple as a company. Figure out who to partner with, figure out what it should look like. We've seen concepts floating around,
Yeah.
but nothing has lived up to our expectations. Nothing has been good enough for that badge to be that autonomous electric vehicle from Apple. That is until today. Because Willie Doo took it upon himself to solve the world's problems once again. To take care of Tim Cook. To provide him with the right design
Yeah.
for the most important Apple product possibly ever. We got to finish this ant story real quick.
Oh, no! You can't do that to the people, man. No. No, I was dying. I need to see this.
Most ant species are born
he's
into
doing- he's
royalty,
really doing
but
it.
for Indian jumping ants, female workers can fight for the crown. The catch, the winner becomes queen, but its brain also shrinks. That is so weird. Why does the brain have to shrink? Indian jumping ants are particularly unique. They shed a part of their brain mass to conserve energy and push resources from the brain to the ovaries. Wow. Moving resources around?
They're shifting the power.
Oh, baby. That's crazy. The lifespan of most ant colonies is often dependent on the lifespan of the queen. How about having a queen and all that? And everybody's working?
Jobs, doing your jobs.
Incredible.
For the
ant
colony.
queen.
Yeah, that's
What do they
nuts.
look like? They're bigger, right?
They're large, yeah.
Hmm.
So how do you not become a queen? You're like eligible to be a queen, and then you don't become the queen, and then you're like, well, I'm going to get into STEM anyway, so I need that brain power. Like, how do you not become the queen? Is it a fight? Is it an election?
You're asking some really good questions here.
Are you asking me or Will? Who are you asking?
I'm just floating it out there.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
I'm just reading here. This is
The old queen choose a new queen? How does it go? We need some ant.
hundreds of
people.
female workers duel each other. They begin to undergo a physiological change that transforms them into queen-like workers called gamer gates.
Gamer Gates? What?
Not the online harassment campaign. A small group of 8 to 10 workers will emerge victorious while the losers will return to their worker duties.
Are we talking about a Royal Rumble?
The victors will then activate their ovaries to take on the previous role of the queen.
Ovaries activated.
During this period, the ovaries
Yeah.
During this period, the ovaries of Gamergates will increase 5 times in size, while their brains will shrink up to 25%
Oh, wow.
compared to the anatomy of the workers.
That's a good return on investment, though. 25% reduction of brain power, 5 times cranking up on the ovary production.
wild stuff, man.
And you can't turn it back, right?
No, they can when they lose.
They do,
turn
yeah.
it back.
No,
Oh,
yeah. Then
okay.
afterwards, they grow the brain back when they need it.
They get smarter.